Welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel. First things first, thank you to all 918 subscribers. We are getting there slowly but surely. 1,000 subscriber coming up. You'll win a set of these nice bright LED lights, which I'll stick an image right here somewhere. Anyways, I'll go ahead and show you what I'll be giving away at 1,000 subscribers. You do have to subscribe to get in on this entry. Also, there is going to be a either 1,500 or 2,000 subscriber giveaway. This is not a promo scam. Someone had commented that it's a promo scam. I'm doing a legitimate giveaway, so a few giveaways. So let me go ahead and I will show you what I'm giving away. Alright, so I wanted to lay it out here for everyone to see. So what I'm going to be giving away is this Dirty Garage Mod sticker. That is a belt diagram of Pontiac G6. Pretty cool sticker. The night light off-road LED light bar wire harness kit. Also comes with the bracket mounting hardware. And 2 of these brand spanking new. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll do the video on how you can win this. So go and check that out. And now we'll get back to our featured video, how to replace the transmission dipstick tube on a 2008 Chevy Colorado. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the air box, and you don't need to do this, I don't think, to change this dipstick because it's located behind it, but I want to at least move some of this so I can give you a better view of the dipstick tube. So I'm going to do that first. Plus there's a few other things I got to do. So the reason behind doing this is that the dipstick tube actually had broke, and I had done some, if you look back, I'll stick a link up here in the corner. The video I did about replacing the TCC solenoid. So I had to replace that again. So I had to replace it because the solenoid was failing, and I had to take it out and redo it. And I'm gonna have to get a new air filter. So I had to take the solenoid out and replace it, and the auto parts store that I got it from actually did a warranty claim on that to get that done. So what I did to get this holding was I put a zip tie in there, and I'd ordered the new dipstick tube, but I had forgot that I ordered it up until today when I realized that transmission fluid was just gushing out this tube hole because it wasn't in there all the way. So yeah, so needless to say, I forgot all about it, but I figured I'd make a quick video about it. That'll be an easy one. And looks like I'm going to need to replace the dipstick too. So, but I'll go ahead and remove that. Let's see, I'll lay this out of the way somewhere. Alright, and what I did was I had just zip tied this up in place just to keep it from moving, and evidently that didn't help. So anyways, yeah, we're going to remove that somehow. It should just pop right up out of there, but it is not. Give me just a second, I'll be right back. it was just sticking on something down in there, so I just had to give it a good yank to get it out of there. But yeah, so the bracket that holds it in place, it actually broke free. So I got a OEM GM dipstick tube to replace it with, and I will stick the part number for that down below in the description. So if you're looking to replace your dipstick tube, you'll have it right there. So, but I need to remove, yeah, that right there. That's what I gotta remove. So, and looks like it's going to be a 10mm socket. And let's see here. So I got a small extension I'm putting on this. I'm going to use a deep well. Socket, 10mm socket to get the on there, because it does have a little bit of bolt head sticking out from whatever this thing is. I can't think what's called offhand, but it has something to do with the engine. So then you don't want to lose this nut. So get that nut off there. Just lay it in your breather thing, and there is the, I don't know if you can see that, so there is the old part that goes on there that broke off. So yeah, so there's that. So then I got the brand new one right here. I'd already peeled the sticker off. I shouldn't have done that. I could have told you the part number. Actually, I still can. I got the paperwork for it right here. So that dipstick number is 152-81541. That is the GM dipstick tube number. So I'll try to remember to stick this down here at the bottom of the screen, and at the very least the part number will be in the description. It is a GM number, so at least then you guys can locate it. So anyways, what I'm going to do is stick this down in there. Okay, so what I'm going to have to do, and unfortunately I'm not going to be able to show you because it's underneath, I'm going to have to go up underneath the truck and try to line that up. So it's pretty easy access under there, so that shouldn't be a problem, but let's hope I can get this right. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So transmission dipstick tube, I had to, there's two coolant lines that come off the transmission off the side, and it goes up to the radiator. Well, those two coolant lines is right next to where this tube is. So yeah, I had to get pretty much on top of the engine and snake it down in there. So, but it's in there now, so that's a good part. And what you want to do is get your bracket nut back on there. Hopefully this will solve my issues I've been having. Okay, so a little bit of a trick getting up under there. Okay, so to get that on there finger tight, you want to get that snugged up just like that. There we go. And then the last step I'm going to do is I'm going to add transmission fluid back to it because it's at least 1.5 quarts low. And put my breather box back in, and that'll be good to go. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and get me up to 1,000, and you'll get to, we'll do that giveaway for the LED lights. So